Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I am your favorite bottle girl, Nikki3Times. I want to just kind of give you a 1, 2, 3 on how to be a bottle girl. So basically, all in one video. Step 1, visit clubs that you plan on applying to or working at. You always want to go and visit, trying to check out the scenery, check out the environment, check out how the employees work with each other, and things like that. Also visit their Instagram page, see how they support their girls, see how the girls are doing. Are they posting their jobs? Are they happy? Things like that. You always want to do your research. Step 2, develop your resume. You want customer service jobs, you want waitering jobs, you want anything with you're dealing with customers, and you want to attach a picture. Now, please do not put any filters over your picture. It can be full body or just kind of like bust up. Make sure they just get an overall appearance of yourself without filters. Makeup is okay. Make sure your hair is done. You look nice. You look cute. Okay? Clean up your Instagram. If you plan on putting your Instagram on your resume, make sure all your pictures are nice. You're not crazy. You're not throwing up gang signs. You're not trying to shoot people. You're not on drugs, like drinking. I mean, legal things. You just want to look like you're fun. You're cool to be around. You're pretty and things like that. It's very superficial. And no drama. Things like fights or anything like that, take that off. That is not the page you want to be promoting, or start a new page. Okay. Number 3, if I'm on number 3. You want to make sure that you're contacting these clubs. You want to make sure you're DMing, email, calling, texting, pulling up. You want to make sure you're physically, verbally, whatever, contacting these clubs. It's not enough just to hit like. You want to send them DMs, messages. Hey, I'm interested. Hey, I'm this, call, see when you can walk in. If you do plan on walking in, make sure it's earlier in the day, not later. Maybe right when the club opens up, or get there early before they open up and ask if you can quickly speak to a manager, or ask if they're hiring or things like that. You actually want to show face. To me, that's a better way to get a job than just DMs, but I know if you have a lot of clubs, and there's a lot of things, a lot of moving around. So yeah, make sure you're emailing, DMing, calling, etc. 4, if you do have an interview, make sure you show up as if you're kind of going to work there already. So you want to have clean face or makeup. Make sure if you do have makeup, it looks good, it's seamless. Your hair is done. Either if it's natural, like I said, make sure it's slick, curled, everything is in place. You want to make sure that you look perfect as can be. As you're perfect, okay? Everyone's perfect is not the same. You want to make sure that your outfit fits you perfectly. You want to have, like I said, I like to accentuate my waist and my butt. So I'm going to make sure my outfit, shows my little curves off. I don't really have chest, but if you're big chested, you want to have them babies out. Okay, it's sex sells. So you really want to make sure you look pretty. And you're pretty, not like everyone else. You want to make sure you're pretty. If you think you look pretty in a white tee and jeans, that's your pretty. You go for it. You do your thing. But I'm just letting you know. You just look yourself. And try not to get too involved about what girls that they already have. I know you guys always ask me, like, I don't think I'm going to fit in. All the girls are light skinned, mixed, and here I am dark skinned with a little meat on me. You know what I mean? Hey, you never know. There's always somebody for everybody. And some customers may be tired of looking at the same type of girls. So they may need that little diversity. Hey, if they need you, they will let you know. Don't let that stop you. And if they don't want you, then hey, oh well, there's always another club. Yeah, so I think that's about it. I know I kind of went over it really quickly, but I've been getting a lot of questions. So I think if I give you guys a really short, precise video, You can watch this, and if you want anything further detailed video, you can go back, track, and visit my older videos. I think I cover everything, the basis on how to get the job, how to approach the job, and things you can do to prepare yourself for that job. But yeah, I hope you like this, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.